What only makes these messages suspicious is that they dealt with some ongoing cases. So in the light of those details, Qureshi's association with anyone is going to raise questions.
Times Now has been broadcasting exhaustive reports detailing a diary gate, notings from security entries from the CBI chief's residence, investigating and questioning every name.
Times Now has accessed 49 pages of the controversial diary that throws more details of those who visited the CBI chief right from May 2013 to August 2014. These details throw many more embarrassing questions for the man who heads India's premier investigation agency.
At the top of the list is Mithilesh. 39 visits in the 49 pages from the diary details accessed. But the mystery remains on who he is and what he was doing in 2 Janpath almost every single day. And he's not the only one. Nanhe Gupta is another name that emerges several times, adding up to 13 visits to the CBI chief's residence.
While details of some of the visitors in the diary are unknown, there are several people that have been named that caught our attention. We tried to find out if they are the same people in the past who have been under the CBI scanner.
If it was the same Ketan Desai, then he certainly hadn't used his own car. So the car numbers listed next to the name Ketan Desai didn't match. So were the cars rented out? A similar pattern uncovered when Times Now tried to track down the car number DL3CBS 7576 listed under the name Ashok Agarwal. Is he the same man who faced a CBI charge in a disproportionate assets case?
गुरमीत सर, मैं भवतोष हूँ टाइम्स नाउ से। हम लोग एक स्टोरी कर रहे थे तो सीबीआई डायरेक्टर के घर पे कई गाड़ियों का नंबर नहीं है ऐसे। तो आप किसी अशोक अग्रवाल जो हैं कोई सीनियर आईएएस ऑफिसर हैं, उनको लेकर आप गए थे क्या 2 जनपद रोड से किसी को? उनकी आपकी गाड़ी का नंबर है शायद 7576 आपकी गाड़ी का नंबर है।
Another name that caught our eye in the alleged entries was that of Ranjan Bhattacharya. 6 visits in a car bearing the number plate DL3CBM 7726.
तो मोइन कुरैशी करके आते थे यहाँ पे? हाँ? तो चेक वे कौन देता तुम लोगों को? पैसा वैसा? कौन कहाँ से आता है स्टाफ?
In addition to the previous visits reported on Times Now, Moin Qureshi, the alleged Hawala operator under the lens of IT department and the Enforcement Directorate, has made 11 visits. Quizzed in the 2G scam, Mahinder Nahata in the 49 pages makes 8 visits in a car bearing different number plates. The ADAG officials Tony and Sethu Raman make 7 visits, an issue the company under scanner won't talk about. But the list of politicians at 2 Janpath continues to grow. 6 visits by Mayawati's closest aide during an ongoing probe raises doubts. 3 additional visits by former Union Tourism Minister Subodh Khan Sahai doesn't add up. Just like that of Devender Darda, whose car number is that of the son of Vijay Darda, also quizzed in Colgate.
The names of Shahnawaz Hussain and Salman Khurshid are also there in the alleged diary entries, but the leaders choose to be silent. Even their parties are silent. We, however, put the question to another leader, Ram Vilas Paswan, who chose to evade our cameras by driving away.
What we have shown you today is just 14 out of the hundreds of names that appear in the diary, answers to which are not known and the truth still out of reach. But the jury is still out on whether CBI Chief Ranjit Sinha accepted to meet the men that he did at his residence and whether that was right. But for now, he just seems to be buying time. In New Delhi, Navika Kumar for Times Now.